Okay. Good morning, everyone. Dear children, today we are going to discuss our class 10 topic arithmetic progression exercise 5.2 question number 5. 5. Find the number of terms in the following APs. One number 7, 13, 19, to 205. Second number 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, minus 47. So two questions are given here. So I'll show you question number 2. You will try question number 1 yourself. We have to find out how many terms are there in this AP. कितना term है इस AP में. So first of all you see solution. Here A equal to 18, D equal to 15, 1 by 2 minus 18. That is 31 by 2 minus 18. So it will be 2. 31 minus 36 equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Now so you have to find out the number of terms in this AP. So to find out the number of terms in this AP, first of all we will select minus 47 is the last term, and this is which number term. Earlier also we discussed this type of question. So first of all we will select, we will try to find out position of this term. So let minus 47 be the nth term. Therefore an equal to minus 47. This implies that a plus n minus 1 whole into d minus 47. So this implies that a means 18, n minus 1, d means minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 47. Now transfer this 18 that side. It will be n minus 1 whole into minus 5 by 2 minus 47 minus 18. Minus 47 minus 18. So it will be n minus 1 whole into minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 65. Now this implies that, so transfer this minus 5 by 2 that side, it will be n minus 1 equal to minus 65 into minus 2 by 5. So this implies that n minus 1 cancel, then 13 minus plus 26. So n equal to 27. N equal to 27, that means minus 47 is the 27th term of this AP. Therefore minus 47 is the 27th term of the given AP. Therefore minus 47 is the 27th term of the given AP. Hence there are 27 terms in the given AP. Hence there are 27 terms in this AP. इस AP में टोटल 27 term है. So and you will try question number 1 yourself at home. Okay, now see question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we are told here to find out the 31st term of this AP, and we are given 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So to find out this 31st term, we should find out first common difference and first term. So see how to solve this. Solution. Let first term equal to A, common difference equal to D. So according to question, 11 term is 33, so 11 term is A11 is 38 and 16 term A16 equal to 73. So 11 term is A plus 10D equal to 38 and this A plus 15D equal to 73. Now this is one number and this is two number. Now we have to solve this two. So to solve, let us subtract this from this. Now 2 minus 1 implies that A plus 15D minus A plus 10D equal to 73 minus 38. This implies that A plus 15D, remove the bracket, 10D, it will be 5, then 5 minus 3 is 2, 6, 35. Now this cancel, it will be 5D equal to 35, imply that D equal to 7. So on calculation we get D equal to 7. Now we put the value of D in one number or two number. Now therefore 1 implies that put the value of D here, A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. This implies that A equal to 38 minus 70. This implies that A equal to minus so it will be A equal to minus 2, then minus 32. A equal to minus 32. A equal to minus 32. So we got D equal to 7, A equal to minus 32. Now you have to find out 31st term. Therefore A31 equal to A plus 30D. So this will be A means minus 32, 30 into 7. So it will be 32 plus 210. So definitely it will be 2 and then 172. So 31st term is 170. It will be 178. It will be 178. Therefore 31st term is 178. Now see question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. There are total 50 terms in this AP. 50 terms are there. Third term given 12 and last term is this is the 50th term, as there are 50 terms total. So last term means 50 position. So 50th term will be 106. So we have to find out 29th term. So let us try to find out first term and common difference. Solution. Then you see how to solve. Let first term equal to difference equal to D. So according to question, third term A3 equal to 12 and A50 equal to 106. So third term means A plus 2D and 50 term means A plus 49D equal to 106. So this is one number and this is two number. Now this minus this, therefore 2 minus 1 implies that A plus 49D minus A plus 2D equal to 106 minus 12. So it will be A plus 49D minus A minus 2D equal to 4 and 94. So A cancel. What we get? This one is 47D equal to 94. This implies that D equal to 94 by 47 equal to 2. Therefore D equal to 2. Now putting the value of D either in 1 or in 2, we get A. So let us do this side. Therefore 1 implies that putting the value of D in 1, A plus 2 into 2 equal to 12. A plus 2 into 2, D means 2. So this implies that A equal to 12 minus 4 and this implies that A equal to 8. So putting the value of D in one number, we get A plus 2 into 2 equal to 12, therefore A equal to 8. Now we have to find out 29th term, therefore A29 equal to, therefore A29 equal to therefore A29 equal to, therefore A29 equal to A plus 28D. A means it was 8 and D means 2, so it will be 56 and 64. Therefore 29th term of the AP is 64. Or 29th term of the AP is 64. Okay, now see question number 9. If the third term and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, that is third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8, then which term of the AP is 0? तो उस AP का कौन सा term 0 होगा? So before this we should find out first term and common difference. So see how to solve solution. Let first term equal to A, common difference equal to D. Therefore according to question, third term A3 equal to 4 and ninth term A9 equal to minus 8. This implies that A plus 2D equal to 4 and this implies that A plus 8D equal to minus 8. This is one number, this is two number. Now let us solve again. Therefore 2 minus 1 implies that A plus 8D minus A plus 2D equal to minus 8 minus 4. So it will be A plus 8D minus A minus 2D equal to minus 12. This cancel. So it will be 6d equal to minus 12, and this implies that d equal to minus 2. So we get d equal to minus 2. Now we put the value of d in one number or two number, we get the value of a. And then we will find out which term of the AP is 0. Now, here, therefore, 1 implies that if we put this value here, it will be a plus 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2, the value is minus 2 equal to 4. This implies that a minus 4 equal to 4. This implies that a equal to 4 plus 4. This implies that a equal to 8. So thus we got a equal to 8, d equal to minus 2. Now we will try to find out which term of the AP is 0. We will now consider 0 with the nth term of this AP. So we will consider 0 with the nth term of the AP. Now let 0 be the nth term of the AP. Let 0 be the nth term of the AP. Therefore, an equal to 0. This implies that a plus n minus 1 whole into d equal to 0. And this implies that a means 8. N minus 1 whole into d means minus 2 equal to 0. Now, transfer this side. N minus 1 whole into minus 2 equal to minus 8. Now, transfer this minus to this side. It will be n minus 1 equal to minus 8 by minus 2. So it will be ultimately 4 on cancellation. On cancellation it will be 4. Now this implies that n equal to 1, transfer this side, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore 0 is the fifth term of the given AP. Therefore 0 is the fifth term of the given AP. Okay, next question we see. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So here given 17th term is more than the 10th term by 7. So see here solution. Let first term equal to a, common difference equal to d. So according to question, 17 term means a17, 10 term means a10. So according to question it is given that 17 term is more than the 10 term by 7. That is here 7 more, here 7 less. So let us add here 7. So both this will be equal. Now 17 term means a7 means a plus 16d and 10 term means a plus 9d. So this implies that transfer this side, a plus 16d minus a minus 9d equal to 7. This cancel. So it will be 7d equal to 7. And this implies that d equal to 1. Therefore common difference is equal to 1. Therefore common difference is 1. Okay, now see question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than 54th term? So this is the AP. So in this AP we should find out a term which is 132 more than 54th term. So first of all let us calculate 54th term. Let us calculate 54th term. So solution here, A equal to 3, D equal to 15 minus 3 equal to 12. Therefore, let us try to find out 54th term. A 54 equal to A plus 53D. A means 3, 53D, D means 12. So it will be 3 plus, if we calculate 36, 6 left, and 60, then 63. So it will be 639. 54th term is 339. Now our required term is 132 more than this 639. Our required term is 132 more than this 639. So therefore the required term is, therefore the term which is 132 more than 54th term equal to 639 plus 132. So it will be 177. That is 777 is the term which is 132 more than 54th term. Now you have to find out this is which term. So this is which term. If we go through this AP, what will be the position of 771? Because 771 is the term which is 132 more than 54th term. So let 771 be the nth term. So let 771 be the nth term. Therefore, an equal to 771. This implies that a plus n minus 1 whole into d equal to 771. Now value of a is 3 and value of d is 12. So 771. Now we will transfer 3 this side. If we transfer 3 this side, what do we get? We get, this implies that n minus 1 into 12 equal to 771 minus 3. So it will be n minus 1 into 12, it will be 8, 768. Now dividing by 12, we get n minus 1 equal to 768 by 12. So if we calculate this one, it will be 7 6 72, 12 6 72, 4 left, 48. So 12 4 48. This implies that n equal to 64 plus 1 equal to 65. So what we got? N equal to 65. N equal to 65 means 771 is the 65th term. Hence we can say that 65th term of this AP is 132 more than 54th term. Hence we can say that hence 65th term of the given AP is 132 more than 54th term. 132 more than 54th term. Okay, next question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Two conditions are there here. Third term is 16 and given 7 term is more than the fifth term by 12. 7 term is 12 more, and or fifth term is 12 less than the 7 term. So we have to determine the AP. So for this, let first term equal to A, common difference equal to D. So according to question, third term A3 equal to 16 and 7 term, and this is fifth term. 7 term is more than this fifth term by 12. So here is less. Let us write here 12. It will be equal. So this implies that we can write here A plus 2D. Third term equal to A plus 2D. And this I can write A plus 6D. And this one I can write A plus 4D plus 12. This implies that A plus 6D, this transfer this side, equal to 12. Is this cancel? So it will be 2D equal to 12. This implies that D equal to 6. Now this is one number. Now putting the value of 6, D in 1. Therefore 1 implies that A plus 2 into 6 equal to 16. This implies that A equal to 16 minus 12, that is A equal to 4. Therefore the required AP is, first term 4, common difference 6, so second term will be 10. 4 plus 6, adding common difference, 16, 22, ... Okay, thank you.